Hello everyone and welcome back to the Twice Your Cheap YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox the full 2026 spring surprise box. The theme was Secret Garden and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. So we did something different this year. We saw how much excitement you guys had over Advent of opening one gift each day together. And so we wondered if there was a way to do that for the boxes. And so we wrapped each of your gifts individually and we are counting down to the first day of spring. Now we totally understand if you want to open them all at once. I absolutely understand that. But if you want to wait to count down with us, we super understand that too. And it just kind of adds to the excitement that we have. So there was also a challenge card in the box that you can do a challenge with us if you make a pattern, and then you can get the reward that goes with it. And those few things were exclusive to our box subscribers, but we do have some of these full spring boxes on the website. So if you love what I'm showing, make sure you go and grab one of those. So I'm gonna start with day one. Now this is a very big package. You see the little one up there? Okay, so let's see what is inside. Okay, here, should I show you guys first? Can you see? Look at those flowers. Look at the spring prints. Okay, so this is a Mega Bag. Let's open this. This is a brand new exclusive spring print. You see all the flowers and the birds? This just screams garden to me, which is perfect for the Secret Garden theme. So, and do you guys know the story of the Bega Bag? So we made the Trinity bag first, and that was the medium size. And then I said I really wanted a smaller bag because we had the medium one, but it didn't fit in all of my other bags. So we made the mini Trinity. And then our Knit Night girls were asking for the same bag as the medium Trinity, but twice the height for their sweaters. So that is where the Mega Bag came from. And I have been carrying this with me everywhere to all of the festivals and everything. Dawn takes it with her on planes. We love this bag. Okay, so that is day one. Day two, oh, it doesn't rattle very well. Okay, we'll check if another one rattles. Okay, let's see what's in here. Maybe? Oh, no, it's very, very well wrapped. Jana and our team do a great job at wrapping those. Okay, let's see if it's in here. Oh, you can almost see a little bit of teal in there. Okay, so these are cable locks, size large, half pink, half teal, or seafoam. And these are great for keeping your stitches on your needles between sessions. And if you are a crocheter, these are great for slipping them onto your hook to keep your crochet hook with your project and your yarn. So that is day two. Day three is a long package. Okay. Let's get it out here. All right. Let's see if this one, oh, they wrapped these really well. Okay. See if we can, oh, there we go. So this is our yarn. This is from Feederbrook Farms. And Lisa is the dyer there, and she has sheep. So Lisa and the sheep dye all the yarn for us and spin the yarn and all of those things. So this was a really cool opportunity to partner with her. This is 100% blue-faced Leicester and Leicester. We talk about how to say that a lot. And we just love all of the different colors in here. It looks like flowers and it just fit the inspo photo so perfectly. This is a DK weight yarn. So we have a bunch of pattern suggestions for that. And I can't wait to see what this knits up like for everybody. And I'll have to decide what I'm going to make with mine. I haven't quite decided yet. But I am thinking that a pressed flower shawl would be really cool. Or something like that. Because then you can pop through all the little colors. Okay, so day 4. we have another bag. Hold on. Okay. Okay, this is the Key yarn cutter. So we have a smaller yarn cutter on the multi-tool that I have been using all the time in my travels, but I am really excited to have this one because it's on a keychain, so I can take it with me. And you just lay the yarn over the top of the blade right here and just pull down, and I can do it with one hand, and it makes me really happy when I do that. It's also really cool because when I'm at festivals, my friends will say, hey, I need scissors. Does anyone have scissors? Because no one ever has scissors, apparently. I don't know how that's possible, but they don't. And so then I just take these out, and they all look at me, and they're like, oh. And so it's really cool to have yarn cutters with you and small enough to travel. And this is perfect to unlock the gate to the secret garden. Okay, that was for day 5. Okay. So, this one's double wrapped too. Let's see what's in here. So this is a remind clip. Now I'm going to show this to you because this is super cool. This was also a request from one of our customers. They asked for something to be able to leave notes for themselves on a project. And so we were trying to figure out how to do that. And this is what we came up with. So, if you don't remember like the hook size or the needle size, that's great things to leave on here. And so you can write on here with a wet or dry erase marker, and then it just goes over the top like this, and it will stay on your project so that you remember all those things that you think you're going to remember, and then you promptly forget them. I'm so excited about this. So I also got a lot of questions about what the mystery add-on item was for day 5, because it was sold out by the time some of you got to it. So it was a wet erase marker to write on these remind clips. Okay. We're so excited about that. All right. 6. Day 6. Okay. This one's also double wrapped. All right. Here. These are flower point protectors. So, these are great for knitting to keep your stitches on the needles. They don't work as great for crochet. So, the crochet box had, let's see if I can move them to the side so that you can see them. Here, let me just take them out real quick. So, the crochet box had melody clip flowers in them. So, and then the thing that we did is we have always told you that if we put something in the knit or crochet box, we would also list that separately. So the mystery knit add-on was these stitch markers, the melody clip for crochet, and the mystery crochet box add-on was the point protectors. Does that make sense? We kind of inverted them a little bit. Okay, so that was day 6. Day 7. We have, I know what this is. I'm so excited. Ready, ready, ready. Okay. So this is the white quick gauge ruler. So here, I'm going to show it to you on my sweater because it will, there we go. So when we made the quick gauge ruler, we got a lot of feedback that the black was hard to see on darker yarns. And so we tried some different colors, and we were having a hard time getting the color so that you could read it on all yarns. So we have made this white quick gauge ruler that shows up beautifully on darker yarns. It even shows up on these lighter yarns, and we are loving using this. So I can't wait for you guys to have this in your hands. I am so excited for everyone who's been asking for the white quick gauge or a different color of quick gauge to have this and be able to use it. I think it's going to be so helpful. Okay, so we have one more thing, and this is day 8. And we have, okay, so if you have been around for a little while, we have a Highland cow that is a print for us that we have put on Trinity bags and journals. Her name is Maisie, and we put her on a tin for the Secret Garden box, and we love Maisie so much, and I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to take this out and about and let everyone see how cute Maisie is. So that is what was in the 2026 spring surprise box with the Secret Garden theme. So if you really want to have your own of any of these, we have extra full boxes available on the website. I will put the link in the caption because we don't want any sad pandas. We want everyone to have all the pretty things. And we love opening these boxes with you. It is so much fun for us to see all of the joy. So I hope that you enjoyed the spring box, and I will be back to unbox the summer box with you. See you next time.